I'm crazy for being down here. It is 99 degrees in here. Huh. I swear, I am losing so much time working on this because of my dog sitting job. I'd have more done by now. It's starting to frustrate me. I do get paid well for it though, but still, you know, this is my future house. I want to get it done. So I gotta get a nail. There is a nail. Oh, nope, that's just a brad. So, anyhow, knock that thing back into the wall. I have this big thing of reflectix. It's a huge one. I bought a huge one because I have to insulate my entire front wall and insulate this area. So, and then I have these tiles that I picked up from the Family Dollar store. You get 20 of them for $10. You know, they're cheap, but you know, they're going under the fridge, so I don't care. And they're going in my bathroom, and if they don't work, I've only lost $10, so so there, yeah, that's that for that one. So okay, I'm gonna cut my reflectix. I brought my staple gun down. I'm gonna staple it to this wall and get these tiles on the floor. I was going to remove that, but you know, I'm not even going to worry about it. Why worry about it? The fridge is going to be over it, and I'm going to have a floating floor over the rest. I still have to scrub down this wood floor though, because we still have a lot of cigarette odor in here. Okay, so I ran the reflectix from the top. I stapled it down to the wood, and that far to the bottom. Reason being that there is an electrical outlet, excuse me, right over here, and I want to see if I can get an electrician to run some power off of it to make an outside socket as well, and that is just a bay panel, so I think it's very probable. So for now, I'm going to leave that open. And then when I get to that point, we'll pull the fridge back out. We'll put some, I'm going to get the plastic coated insulation and put it in there to insulate that better. And then, you know, put the fridge back in when the power is put in. The floor has already been prepped, so I'm going to open this box. Oh, it's all taped. I swear everything is taped. Ugh. Here's a knife. Always cut away from yourself, like I just didn't. And there are the lovely tiles, and they're just peel and stick. So what I'm going to do is just kind of lay them down first. Perfect. Z. Okay, that's perfect. I don't even need that many. I don't care if I lay it on top of that one or not. So, it's not going to be perfect because the fridge is going to be on top of it. So all it's going to take me is 4 tiles. Unless I wanted to cut one up, which I don't need to do. That's fine. Fridge is going to be on top of it. Nobody's going to see it. Okay. So let me peel this, get them down. Oh, it is hot, hot, hot. This is just too much. Dang it. I just dropped the tiles. Okay, so the floor has been cleaned and prepped. I've even scrubbed it. The problem is a fan. If you can hear over it, you're going to hear a lot of fan noise. But the fan will be blowing some of the dirt back in here, like it's doing. There we go. She did a whole RV in this. This is so much easier. I'm not even going to cut out for my corner, which my knee is hiding. I don't care. Of course, I'm not even paying attention to what, the pattern is on the tiles because it's under the fridge. When I do the bathroom, I'll lay them out first and decide how I really, really want them. What I've done in the past is actually taken a rolling pin and rolled it on top of these things. But I don't happen to have one handy. And again, I don't do that particular for this spot. Gee, I hope it sticks. It's so hot in here. That might become my issue. Yeah, it doesn't want to stick. It's so hot. Okay, I'm going to walk on it a little bit. Staples. Aren't my shoes lovely? Just wearing old shoes. And doing this in sandals, I don't think is a good idea, so. Yeah, it is so hot. But I think that's part of my problem. It's probably supposed to set and cure. But you know what? It's going to have a refrigerator on top of it. Okay. So there we go. The refrigerator area is done for now. And we're going to put the fridge back. Kind of stinks. It needs to be cleaned. It was cleaned once, but not thoroughly. That was by another crew of people. Okay, well, there you go. The fridge is back in where it belongs. Okay, so what's next on the agenda? I don't have that long to work in here today either. Shoot. It's because I'm dog sitting again. And man, you know, one of the things I wanted to avoid was all this hot weather. But because of my physical therapy, my work hasn't been that much of an issue. But physical therapy and dog sitting has really cut into my time. So let's get my spackling. So I bought one of these sanding blocks. They're just easier to use. And I had to pay a little bit more, and I really don't need this much, but I couldn't find anything smaller. But the reason I chose this one is because it's flexible. So it'll expand and contract with the heat. And if this RV ever goes on the road, it'll expand and contract with that also. So, and I'll get my little putty things and start filling in holes on the ceiling. See, I got holes there, holes there. All the nail holes except where the magnets go back into. I'm not going to fill those back in. I'd never find them again if I did. So I don't really have that many holes to fill, but I do have some. So I'm going to get to work on that. And here are my putty knives. I only need one small one from the Dollar General. Nothing's made to just be easy. There we go. So I'm going to start spackling. Okay. So the spatula didn't work too well, so I just put on a pair of gloves, rubber gloves, and my hands are actually stinging from sweating. And here's what I did. I just spackled all the holes that were in the ceiling, and I got all of them. These right here are just the brads. I'm leaving those alone. I don't care about those. That's part of the construction of a Silver Streak. So, but anything that had nails driven into it, I spackled over. And what I have to do with this next is cover all those holes with wood putty. But not today. It's too hot. It's still like, look at this. So yeah, it's too hot to be in here. I am going to have to check out my power, cap off these lines so I can bring my generator down and start using it. So anyhow, that's it for today. Catch y'all later. Thanks for hanging out. Once again, I appreciate your comments and your suggestions and your help. And I love y'all. So live the life you love. Bye-bye.